What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for Roblox. It's very simple guys. If you want to sign up for Roblox and verify your account, then use Microsoft Edge browser. I had some problem while creating an account on Roblox in Google Chrome. So to sign up for Roblox, you have to go to official website of Roblox and then click on here. Now it will take you to the sign up page. What are you gonna do? You have to select your date of birth. Let me do this real quick. It doesn't matter whatever you select, and then you have to put a username. After putting a username, put a password and then choose your gender, and now click sign up. Now it asks you to verify, so you have to wait for some second, then click verify. Now it asks you to roll the ball and make this image correct way up. So these are some easy process. Let me do this real quick. So after verifying, you will come to this page. And this is how you can sign up for Roblox guys. And if you found this video is helpful, then hit the like button and also subscribe button. I will make more videos like this, so thanks for watching.